In this video, we are going to develop a formula to find the gradient of a straight line using its graph. Now suppose this is the straight line and it is of the form y equals mx plus c. To derive the formula for the gradient, I am going to take 2 points on the straight line. One point is A with coordinate pairs x1 and y1. Another point on this straight line B and the coordinate pairs x2 and y2. Since these 2 points A and B lie on this straight line, y equals mx plus c, I can write by substituting the coordinate pairs of point A, y1 is equal to mx1 plus c. I am going to take this equation as the first equation. By substituting the coordinate pairs of point B, I can write y2 is equal to mx2 plus c. Since I am going to take a formula for the term m, I am going to remove this c by subtracting these two equations. So if I write 2 minus 1, that means I am going to subtract the first equation from the second equation. So I can write y2 minus y1 is equal to mx2 plus c minus mx1 plus c. y2 minus y1 is equal to, I can remove the brackets and write mx2 plus c minus mx1 minus c. This c and this c get cancelled. Then y2 minus y1 is equal to, I can take m out because m is common, x2 minus x1. I have to make m the subject of this formula, so I am going to divide both the sides by x2 minus x1. Then I will get the formula for m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Therefore, the gradient of a straight line is given by the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here y2, y1, x2 and x1 are the coordinate pairs of the 2 points that we have taken. Let us consider some examples. Suppose you have to find the gradient of the straight line which passes through the 2 points 3, 10 and 2, 6. There's a straight line and the straight line passes through these 2 points and you have to find the gradient. So I am going to use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I am going to take this coordinate pair as x1 and y1, this coordinate pair as x2 and y2. Now I can substitute the values. M is equal to y2 means 6, y1 is 10, x2 is 2, x1 is 3. When you subtract 6 from 10, positive 6 and negative 10 is equal to negative 4. 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 1 is positive 4. Therefore, m is equal to 4. Look at this example. Suppose there's a straight line passing through the points negative 4 and negative 2, 4 and 1, negative 2. So, if we have to find the gradient of this straight line which passes through these 2 points, again we can use the above formula x2 minus x1 and I am going to name x1, y1, x2, y2. M is equal to y2 means negative 2 minus y1 is 4, x2 is 1, x1 is negative 2, so I am going to use a bracket here. Negative 2, negative 4 is negative 6. 1 minus negative 2. Minus into minus becomes plus. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then negative 6, when you divide by positive 3, the answer will be negative 2. Therefore, the gradient will be negative 2.